Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss QuickBooks versus Xero, which accounting software is better. If you're running a business and need reliable accounting software, you have likely come across QuickBooks and Xero, two of the top contenders in the game. Both platforms offer powerful tools to manage your finances, but which one is actually better for your needs? So let's start with QuickBooks. QuickBooks is known for its user-friendly interface, making it easy to create invoices, track expenses, run payroll, and generate reports. It's great for small to medium businesses and integrates well with over 750 apps. Xero, on the other hand, is cloud native with a sleek modern dashboard. It also supports invoices, bank reconciliations, and payroll. But what stands out is its unlimited users at no extra cost, something QuickBooks charges for. Both offer mobile apps, bank signing, and automated workflows, but QuickBooks has slightly stronger reporting and inventory tools, while Xero shines in multi currency support and global accessibility. If we talk about the pricing, then QuickBook have four plans: the Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. You can check out the prices and the benefits included in every package. While if we talk about the zeros pricing, so it start with these ones like starter, standard, and premium. You can check out the prices and the benefits included into it. If we compare the prices, both are very much similar, but I guess QuickBooks is much cheaper than Zero. So if we talk about the pros and cons, so QuickBook has strong ecosystem and integration. It has excellent reporting and forecasting tools, and it is easy to use for most business sizes. But the cons are it gets expensive with add-ons and it charges for multiple users. While Zero offers unlimited users on all plans, great for global or remote teams, clean interface with solid mobile experience, but it is limited to the features on starter plan and reporting isn't as detailed as QuickBook. My final verdict is if you're a US based business with a focus on detailed reporting, payroll, and integration, then QuickBooks is a top pick. But if you're a remote team, globally company, or need unlimited users, Zero may be the smarter choice, especially with its pricing. Both are great. Your decision comes down to your team size, budget, and the features you value most. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.